let's see. We have at least one real player.
3,
Usually you can
2,
avoid
1,
real players.
go. Get out of my way.
You also need to be very careful and very mindful.
First blood. Well done. Killing spree.
Also be
Well
careful
done.
for the players,
Double kill.
because some of them are no joke,
Humiliation. Well done.
and sometimes it's good to eliminate them if you can.
Well done.
Even though you might piss them off and they will chase you till the end of the game, but
Unsolvable.
yeah.
Humiliation.
I mean, they don't always show the angry face. It's like you press very fast the buttons and they don't necessarily mean it.
Fire. Godlike. Well
But
done.
in this case,
Smackdown.
he just spawned near me trying to kill me. Which, if somehow they kill me, I will try not to go in the same lane as them. Also, the real players are not as precise as those robots who are instantly sniping you from a very large distance.
Smackdown.
And officially he's still chasing me. He didn't learn his lesson. Usually it's best to put your ego aside
Noob identified.
and just move on with the game.
Nemesis. Well done. Humiliation. Ghost. Well done. Humiliation. Humiliation.
Alright.
Humiliation. Well done. Multi-kill. Well done.
Oh, we have here one.
Smackdown.
Okay, another one.
Well done. Smackdown. Well done.
Now I need to be very careful not to kill him, not to kill me. But I already have a very good score,
Well
and
done.
usually even after 10 kills is enough.
Nemesis. Well done. Input fire. Noob identified. 3, 2, 1.
Just 8 kills is good enough, I think. To move forward. Yeah, as you can see, they got nothing to do. So the strategy here is just to have a super robot while the others are not with the worst weapons. You need to be careful, because if you put the lowest weapons,